Hi everybody, welcome to our new video, and we would like to thank you for being with us. Today we're going to see why if we also you have the same problem whereby Google News approved your website, but it's not, the articles are not appearing in Google News. So I'm facing the same problem. I don't know if somebody can help, but I'm gonna show you what I've done and what I see. Maybe you have the same thing, then we can see if we can get some comments from you guys and say maybe by luck we can get somebody who knows better to show us what is necessary to do to overcome this problem. So here's my website. It's called googleboy.co.za. When you click there, you get the website here, and it's pretty smart, simple, not complicated. We have they say they want terms and condition. I have that. Contact, privacy, code of conduct, and about us. On this about us, there is a contact. They say you have to put your contacts, you have to put your email. Yes. On about us, you have to talk about the site. You have to put your information about where they can find you, and I've done that, and I write my own articles. I don't copy and paste, as they said. I don't want copy and paste. They need to see a site which has unique information for the readers to enjoy. So now we're gonna go to google.com, then look for Google News. Now you can see in Google News we're here, and once we're here, when we search, I can't see any articles for my website, but if we search the website itself and say googleboy.co.za, it's gonna be googleboy.co.za and search. We can't find any article. It brings other stuff which is not, my website is not included here. But anyway, what we can also do, the only thing to prove that they approved me, I'm gonna show you. If I look for Google Boy, you see news. If you look for Google Boy News, you can see all the articles appear here, but it's only me who can see this. Or if somebody search that, which is impossible for somebody to search, nobody knows this. So what people gonna see? Only people wanna see articles, and they visit, and you get traffic. So I really don't know the reason why Google is not including my articles in here. So but they approved me, and also they sent me a message saying that they have approved my website. But it's been now 4 or 5 days, haven't seen nothing coming to here. So you can see all these, and today I wrote 1, 2, 3. These are 3 articles. Yesterday 1, 2, 3. You see, the previous day 1, 2, 3. Like I've been keeping on like writing 3 articles a day, because they say at least you have to write 2, 3 articles a day. I've done that, and I can't really tell, but I'm gonna show another thing here. It's gonna be googleboy.co.za. If I'm there, you can see this article. The first article here, it appears here. The second one here, it also appears here, and the third also appears here. Everything is there, but I'm really confused. So I've got less knowledge about this, and I'm trying to fight harder so that I get into Google News, so that I get more traffic and I make more money anyway, because I'm already running their Google adverts here, AdSense here. So guys, please, if you know something, please comment, and based on the site, look at it. Maybe there's something wrong I'm doing, and please help us, and we'll find a solution I've been searching everywhere. I went and read all the Google what they call them policy something. There's a policy guidelines. Yes, the guidelines, I read them all and I try to do my best. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. See you in the next video.